Welcome back to another video in our series. Before we dive into today's topic, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. It's way simpler than trying to understand a German tax form. Your support means a lot. Now, let's get started. Question number 1. What should you understand by defensive driving? Stopping as a precaution at every crossroads. False. Defensive driving involves anticipating potential hazards, not stopping unnecessarily, which could lead to confusion or accidents. Not insisting on your rights. True. This aspect of defensive driving means being considerate and not aggressively asserting one's own rights, thus preventing conflicts and accidents. Allowing for other people's mistakes. True. Defensive driving requires being alert to others' errors and adjusting one's driving to stay safe, reflecting constant caution and mutual respect on the road. Question number 2. What can be the causes of rear-end collisions? Inattentiveness? True. Being inattentive can lead to late recognition of other road users' actions, reducing reaction time and increasing collision risk. Driving too close behind the vehicle in front. True. Maintaining a small gap reduces the time available to react, heightening the risk of crashing into the vehicle ahead. Unexpectedly heavy braking. True. Sudden braking can catch following drivers off guard, especially if they're too close or not paying attention. Question number 3. Which of these is a good example of anticipatory driving? I limit my observation of road traffic as much as possible on the vehicle travelling directly in front of me. False. Anticipatory driving requires broader awareness, not just focusing on the vehicle directly ahead. I respond as soon as possible to probable changes in the road traffic situation. True. This demonstrates a proactive approach, K in anticipating and safely navigating potential traffic changes. I attempt to identify the intentions of other road users as soon as possible. True. Understanding others' intentions early helps in making timely and safe driving decisions. Question number 4. You are to drive a motor vehicle with which you are unfamiliar. Why do you have to be particularly careful to begin with? Because of its braking characteristics. True. Unfamiliar vehicles may have different braking responses, requiring extra caution and adjustment. Because of its maneuverability. True. Each vehicle handles differently, so understanding a new vehicle's maneuverability is essential for safe driving. Because of the arrangement and the function of the controls. True. Familiarizing oneself with a new vehicle's controls is crucial to avoid confusion and ensure safe operation. Question number 5. You are driving in a built-up area behind a vehicle with number plates that are not local. What could happen? They may switch on the direction indicators too late before turning. True. Non-local drivers might be unfamiliar with the area, leading to delayed signalling. They could stop unexpectedly to ask the way. True. Drivers unfamiliar with the locality may stop suddenly to seek directions, posing a risk to following traffic. They could brake unexpectedly. True. Unfamiliarity with the area can lead to sudden braking, increasing the risk of rear-end collisions. Question number 6. What can cause unnecessary obstructions? Motor vehicles breaking down because they have run out of fuel. True. Running out of fuel is a preventable issue that can lead to breakdowns, causing avoidable obstructions in traffic. Stalling the engine in dense traffic. True. Engine stalls in heavy traffic contribute to disruptions and delays, particularly in congested areas. Vehicles proceeding too slowly for no good reason. True. Driving excessively slow without a valid reason can impede traffic flow and create unnecessary hindrances. Question number 7. Why must you not drive extra slowly for no good reason? Because it increases the danger of rear-end collisions. True. Unnecessarily slow driving can catch following drivers off guard, raising the risk of collisions. Because it encourages vehicle drivers behind to overtake it dangerously. True. Slow driving might prompt following drivers to perform risky overtaking maneuvers. Because it obstructs the flow of traffic. True. Driving too slowly without reason can hinder traffic flow, leading to congestion and delays. Question number 8. How can you tell that you're getting tired while you are driving? Frequent yawning. True. Yawning often signals fatigue, which can impair driving ability. Quicker reaction time. False. Fatigue typically leads to slower, not quicker, reaction times. Heavy eyelids. True. Heavy eyelids are a common sign of tiredness, indicating a need for rest. Question number 9. What can happen if you ignore signs of tiredness? Microsleep. True. Ignoring tiredness can lead to microsleep, brief lapses of consciousness, increasing accident risk. Lack of concentration. True. Fatigue impairs focus, making it difficult to maintain concentration on the road. Driving mistakes. True. Tiredness can result in errors in judgment and driving mistakes. Question number 10. What should you do if you start feeling tired while driving? Take a break straight away. True. Taking a break is vital to refresh and reduce the risk of accidents caused by fatigue. Get out of the car and move around in the fresh air. True. Physical activity and fresh air can help alleviate tiredness and improve alertness. Listen to stimulating music. False. While music might help temporarily, it is not a substitute for rest in combating fatigue. Question number 11. How does tiredness affect your driving? Decreases alertness. True. Reduced alertness due to fatigue can significantly impair your ability to respond swiftly and effectively to changing road conditions. Limits awareness. True. Tiredness narrows your focus, hindering your ability to perceive and process important visual and auditory cues on the road. Delays reactions. True. When fatigued, your reaction time slows, increasing the risk of not responding quickly enough to avoid hazards. Question number 12. How could a dangerous situation arise? By having lights turned on during day. False. Daytime running lights are designed to increase visibility and do not typically lead to dangerous situations. Through vehicles at a standstill. True. Stationary vehicles, especially in unexpected locations, can pose significant risks, requiring sudden maneuvers from other drivers. Through failure to maintain suitable speed. True. Speed that is too high or too low for the conditions can create unsafe scenarios, either by reducing reaction time or causing unexpected traffic flow disruptions. Question number 13. What could cause the vehicle to leave the road? Distraction. True. Distractions can lead to a loss of focus on the driving task, increasing the likelihood of veering off the road. Inattention. True. Lack of attention to the driving environment can result in missing crucial cues, such as road curvature, leading to the vehicle leaving the roadway. Tiredness. True. Fatigue impairs cognitive and motor functions, which can result in an inability to maintain proper lane position, increasing the risk of drifting off the road. Question number 14. What is a frequent cause of serious accidents? Failure to pay attention to other road traffic. True. Neglecting to observe other vehicles and road users adequately increases the risk of collisions due to late or inappropriate responses. Driving too close to the vehicle in front. True. Tailgating reduces the time available to react to the leading vehicle's actions, significantly raising the likelihood of rear-end collisions. Failure to adjust speed accordingly. True. Inappropriate speed, whether too fast or too slow, can lead to accidents, especially under varying traffic or weather conditions. Question number 15. What conduct must you expect of children at zebra crossings? They will run onto the zebra crossing without paying attention to traffic. True. Children may act unpredictably and might enter the crossing suddenly, highlighting the need for drivers to approach zebra crossings with heightened caution. They will turn around on the zebra crossing for no apparent reason and run back. True. The spontaneous and often erratic behavior of children means they might change direction unexpectedly, creating potential hazards. They will wait at the curb because they always correctly judge the speed and distance of approaching vehicles. False. Children may have difficulty accurately judging the speed and distance of oncoming vehicles, so they might not wait safely at the curb. Question number 16. What do you have to reckon with when children are waiting at traffic lights? They will also start running when the light is red because they cannot wait since it's taking them too long. True. Children are often impulsive and may not fully understand the dangers leading them to cross on a red light. They will push each other onto the roadway. True. Playful behavior among children can be unpredictable and may inadvertently lead to dangerous situations near traffic. They will already start running when the traffic lights in my driving direction change from green to amber. True. Children might misinterpret traffic signals or act spontaneously, starting to cross as soon as they see changes in the light signals. Question number 17. What must you heed in this situation? Hazard warning lights on. Pass the stationary bus at walking speed, provided you are sure that passengers are not endangered. True. Approaching a stationary bus cautiously at a walking pace ensures the safety of disembarking passengers who might suddenly appear from the front or rear of the bus. Overtake the bus while it is still moving. False. Overtaking a moving bus, especially one indicating a stop, can be risky due to the potential presence of pedestrians crossing to and from the bus. Not overtake the bus while it is still moving. True. It's safer to wait until the bus has come to a complete stop before considering overtaking, as this allows time to assess the situation for potential hazards. Question number 18. What do you have to reckon with when elderly persons using walking frames cross the road? They may turn round and go back. True. Elderly people might become uncertain or confused while crossing, leading them to unexpectedly turn back. They will cross the road slowly. True. Due to mobility limitations, elderly individuals using walking aids often cross more slowly, requiring drivers to exercise patience and caution. They may stop on the road. True. Fatigue or uncertainty can cause elderly pedestrians to stop mid-crossing, so drivers must be prepared for this possibility and give them ample time and space. Question number 19. A person in a wheelchair is travelling along the road, although there is a pavement on the right. What do you do? I overtake it, leaving plenty of room on the side because the wheelchair may swing out. True. Overtaking with ample room is essential as the wheelchair may unexpectedly move laterally, and maintaining a safe distance is key for the safety of all. I honk the horn to indicate that the person is not behaving correctly. False. Honking can be distressing and disorienting, especially for a wheelchair user. It's important to exercise patience and understanding in such situations. I follow behind the wheelchair until I can overtake it. True. Following at a safe distance until a suitable and safe opportunity to overtake arises is the most prudent course of action. Question number 20. Having crossed the road, a person in a wheelchair cannot get up the curb and onto the pavement. What do you do? I honk the horn and drive around the person. False. Honking could create unnecessary stress in an already challenging situation. It's important to approach with empathy and patience. I stop and switch on the hazard warning lights. True. Stopping and activating hazard lights alerts other drivers to the potential obstruction, enhancing safety for all involved, especially the person in the wheelchair. I get out of the car and help the person in the wheelchair. True. Offering assistance to a person in a wheelchair in such a situation is a considerate and helpful action, ensuring their safety and ease of access.